In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the OneDrive error 1200, also known as the something went wrong message, in just 5 minutes. Now, let's dive right in and walk through the steps that should help you resolve this pesky issue quickly and effectively. First, we'll start by heading over to the Start search bar on your computer. This can typically be found in the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll see a little magnifying glass or a circle icon that, when clicked, allows you to type in text. Within this search bar, go ahead and type in %localappdata% without the quotes. This is a special command that will take us to a specific location on your computer where we can begin the troubleshooting process. Once you're done typing, simply press enter. After pressing enter, you will be redirected to a folder on your computer. This is essentially a shortcut to a hidden directory, so don't worry if it looks unfamiliar. This folder contains specific local data related to various applications, including, in our case, Microsoft applications. Now, within this folder, you should see a directory labeled Microsoft. Click on this folder. It's essential that we access this specific directory because it's where the OneDrive configuration files and credentials are stored. Once you're inside the Microsoft folder, your goal is to find a folder named Credentials. Now, I know this step might sound a bit intimidating, but it's basically where certain login details and related files are kept for your apps. If you're having trouble finding it, remember that it should be nested within the directories stemming from the Microsoft folder. After locating the Credentials folder, we are going to delete it. Deleting this folder essentially resets OneDrive's saved login information on this device, hopefully eradicating any configuration that could be contributing to the error. Don't worry about losing important data. It doesn't affect your actual OneDrive files stored in the cloud. Once the Credentials folder is deleted, you're going to want to restart your computer. Restarting your device ensures that any changes you've made take full effect and allows your system to reset properly. By the time your computer reboots, the OneDrive error 1200 should be resolved, and you can resume using OneDrive without the something went wrong message blocking your tasks. I hope this guide has been helpful and that it's resolved the error quickly for you. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.